I'm going to be talking about adaptability and generative AI in business. So, the focus of today is just an overview of how generative AI works and just overall how it can be used effectively within business. So, starting off with the importance, why it actually matters and why adaptability matters. Businesses are an ever changing thing, there's market shifts, tech always evolves, and then customers and consumers, their expectations continue to grow as the businesses evolve. So, their operations and will be able to kind of get that competitive edge and be able to be better in their sector specifically. Some real world examples that have happened is during COVID, a lot of stores kind of shifted all of their selling, all of their product to being online and having mobile payment systems such as like the no tap thing. And you're just like not transferring that card back and forth. And that was a great adaptability for more people to continue to spend money. Next is in finance. A lot of banks could integrate cloud platforms into their mobile apps and also improve that customer access and data security for the future. And finally, the supply chain logistics. With real time inventory systems, AI will be able to adapt to those demand fluctuations and kind of seeing data reports of what is popular, what is not, what we have an overstock of, and kind of how to get rid of that or what to buy next. But the outcomes of this adaptability will be faster decision making, improved customer experience, and also just preparing for those market disruptions. So, what is generative AI? Generative AI is something that can generate new content like text, images, and coding based on current data that it has. Some examples of these are Copilot, ChatGPT, and stuff like that. But these applications are being used in businesses and certain sectors such as marketing, customer service, finance, and product design. Product design and marketing are kind of similar in the way, but it's kind of definitely important within those sectors. And finally, building that confidence and being able to trust generative AI. Starting off with training and education, we want to help our employees understand the limitations and also the benefits of generative AI and make sure that it's not just all AI and there's still that oversight. So then moving on into human oversight, with the combination of human judgment and AI, it's always going to validate great content and be able to have that ethical part of it as well. Next, transparency. By using tools that kind of explain how the results are generated, it'll have that trust building since you actually know where it's coming from and how you got there. And finally, ethical guidelines, as I kind of spoke about before, having that human oversight and not the bias of AI will definitely make you trust AI more in the future. But overall, AI adaptability enables a lot of companies to stay competitive within their sector, and generative AI is a very powerful tool that can really show a lot of development and innovation within the business. And also, businesses are going to embrace that tech change and educate their teams and thrive through the next era.